We've been talking about it all morning. Hurricane Florence made landfall on Friday. Now tropical depression, and millions have been affected by this latest natural disaster. So our money man Paul Fain joins us today with 5 essential things to assemble in an emergency like this, a financial emergency kit for your household, because sometimes you have to leave right away, and it's nice to have those things, not be ruffling through papers to find these things.
Exactly, Leslie. That's just not going to happen, is it? When we're talking about fire, flood, hurricane, tornado. So yeah, we're talking about a financial go bag. You know, this could be in print form, it could be in digital form. It needs to be accessible, like you're saying, in a place in the house that everyone knows it's there. And it might be in multiple formats. It could be documents stored in the cloud, on a flash drive, or in an envelope. Or
physical things. You gotta have all those. What are like the essentials? What things do you need that you would not want destroyed in case of fire or rain, things you can't get back?
I think here's 5 things, and understanding that, you know, for every family's going to be a little different in terms of what they might want to keep, but cash and keys comes to mind first. You know, this is a massive storm, you know, so it's good to have enough cash for a few days just in case you don't have access to an ATM or whatnot. You know, maybe having backup keys for a car, a house, a safety deposit box. Key contacts, your medical providers, your banker, your insurance agent, you know, emails, phone numbers on a list, readily available. Copies of your ID, copies of the things in your wallet in case you don't have your purse or wallet when you have to flee out of your home. All those credit cards, marriage certificate, social security card, passport we were talking about earlier. Copies of key records. Granted, you may be able to get an accountant to give you a copy of your tax return, but having a copy of your tax return, your will, your insurance summary statement in your go bag.
It's good to have that. Now, you know, sometimes, unfortunately, in the worst situations, your home is destroyed, and you come back. It's good to have an actual list of your personal belongings. It doesn't sound like that'd be fun to make, but I'm sure for insurance filing purposes, that's extremely important.
It really is, and whether it's, you know, again, in a printed inventory or photographic stills, or even better, a videotape. And think about this now with iPhones, a smartphone, just go through your house, you know, videotaping each room, panoramic, 360, but it is important to kind of go in on the make and model and serial number of important things. Could be a TV, could be a, you know, a nice camera or something like that. So that way, like you're saying, you could turn that over to your insurance company. And unfortunately, I've had friends lose their homes to flood or fire, and they lost keepsakes. So it's a great idea also to make copies, digital or print. Go to Walgreens or CVS, and, you know, of family photographs, videos, home videos that are, you know, decades old.
To you. Definitely. Thank you so much, Paul. Really something important that I think we don't really think about to the last minute when there's not a lot of time.
And the rains are coming, right?
Definitely. Thank you so much. We appreciate it. We're going to send things over to Rebecca Sweet with a check of that forecast. The rain that is headed our way.
Yeah, I think that's exactly right. And I